Hey, wanna fix the Messenger filter not working issue on your Android? This can happen if your app doesn't have camera or mic permissions, if Messenger is outdated, or sometimes it's just a Facebook server glitch. Quick tip before we dive in, make sure your internet's stable and try restarting your phone. That often clears up minor bugs. Solution 1. Check camera and microphone permissions. Head to Settings, tap Apps, then find Messenger. Go to Permissions, make sure camera and microphone are enabled. Relaunch Messenger and try those filters again. Solution 2. Clear Messenger cache. Open Settings on your phone, go to Apps or App Management, find and tap Messenger. Tap Storage, select Clear Cache. Solution 3. Update Messenger. Open Google Play Store, search Messenger, tap Update if it's available. Open the app once updated. Solution 4. Reinstall Messenger. Long press Messenger, hit uninstall, restart your phone, reinstall Messenger from Play Store, log in and check filters. And that's it. Hopefully this gets your Messenger filters working again. If it helped, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Still stuck? Drop a comment and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.